Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the math session. So, in our earlier classes, we have learned 1.1 exercise. So, today I am going to solve the exercise number 1.2. So, exercise number 1.2 is rational numbers. The topic is what? Rational numbers. Next exercise 1.2. So yesterday's session is what? Session number 3, and today's session number is what? Session number 4. The topic is from what? NCERT syllabus. Okay. Question number 1 is the first main. Represent these numbers. Represent these numbers. Represent these numbers on the number line. On the number line. Represent these numbers on the number line. So we have to take two number lines. The first question number 1 is 7 by 4. So how to represent the 7 by 4? Already people have learned. So draw a straight line. So make one point. So this side we will take the minus numbers. So check out the denominator is 4. That's why we should write minus 1 by 4. Next one. Minus 2 by 4. Come to this side. Plus numbers will come 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4, 8 by 4, 9 by 4, 10 by 4. But the given number is what? 7 by 4 is there. Just we have to draw an arrow mark. So this will become, this is the representation of number lines of the given number. Next, minus 5 by 6. Question number 2. Minus 5 by 6. How will you represent the 5 by 6? Okay. Same. Drawn straight line. Mark both the sides. Minus 5 by 6 is there. Which line we have to extend? Minus side we have to extend. Put it 0 here. So what is the denominator? 6. 1 by 6. 2 by 6. This side. Minus 1 by 6. Minus 2 by 6. Minus 3 by 6. Minus 4 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. Minus 6 by 6. Minus 7 by 6, minus 8 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 10 by 6. Here we know only minus 5 by 6. Where is the minus 5 by 6? This is here. Clear done? This is 7 by 4 and this is minus 5 by 6. We have to represent in the different number lines. Clear? Okay. So shall I go for the question number 2? Same question is there, but has given some numbers. I love this first one. Here only I will represent it. Second name, represent the numbers. So represent the numbers means here he has given some numbers like minus 2 by 5. He only given the number minus 2 by 5, comma minus 5 by 11, minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11 and minus 9 by 11. Minus 9 by 11. So we have to represent these three numbers in the single number line. So as usual, drawn straight line 0. What's the denominator? 11 is there. 1 upon 11. upon 11, minus 4 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, minus 6 upon 11, minus 7 upon 11, minus 8 upon 11, minus 9 upon 11, minus 10 upon 11. Okay, here where is minus 2 upon 11? This is your minus 2 upon 11. Next term minus 5. This is minus 5 by 11. Minus 9. So this is your minus 9 by 11. So these are the representation of number line. So down and write third main. So the third main, write the rational numbers. Third main, write the rational numbers. Write the rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Which are smaller than. So how many rational numbers? Write 5 rational numbers. Write 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Correct? Okay. So how to start? First write the numbers. 1 and this is 2. Clear? Okay. So start from above 1. How to write down? Okay. 1 upon 2. Correct? Less than what? 2 by less than 2. 1 upon 3. 1 upon 4. 1 upon 5. 1 upon 6. 1 upon 7. 1 upon 8. Next one. 1 upon 9. 1 upon 10. So these are the rational numbers which are less than 2. Means don't write the more numerator. Understand? You just write the less numerator and more denominator. So if we cancel these two, the answer should be less than 2. So these are the still are there, but just I have given only 10 numbers. Those are less than 1. Clear? Okay. Here also we write one form this problem. Understanding? Yes. Shall I go for the fourth main? This is your third main. I will go to the fourth main. The fourth main is okay. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 upon 2. Find fourth main. Find 10 rational numbers. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 upon 2. So before going to write, you just check out the denominators. So both of them are having different denominators. First make them equal. First one is what? Minus 2 by 5 is there. What will you do? Multiply this denominator. Multiply this denominator both the sides. Into 2 divided by 2. 2 2s are minus 4. 5 2s are 10. This is the first thing. Come to the second one. So what is that? 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into. So what do we do? 5 and 5. So multiply this denominator. One time numerator and one time to the denominator. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 10. So minus 4 is there, minus 4 by 10 2 plus 5 by 10. We can write. How will write here? First term minus 2 by 5 to the, how will write it? Minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0, 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10. Now count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and write one more 5 by 10. These are the rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 1 upon 2. Clear down? So if you want to write still more, just what you have to do, or same number you take minus 4 by 10 into. So you need the 10 rational numbers. Otherwise, 10 rational numbers are there. Okay, but we will multiply. What you will do? 10 divided by 10. Correct? So how much it will become? So minus 40 divided by 100. That side 5 by 10 is there. Correct? So into 10 divided by 10. So how much it will become? 50 by 100. So this side also you can write. How will you write here? Minus 30 by 100 minus 20 by 100 minus 10 by 100 minus 1 by 100 0 1 upon 100 2 upon 100. So okay, 10 20 10 20 30 upon 100 40 upon 100 50 upon 100. So you can write this, otherwise any one you can write. But in the notes you have write both. In the examination you can write any one out of these two. Okay. So next main. This is the fourth main. Now I will solve the fifth main. Okay, the fifth main is find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay, fifth main, find 5 rational numbers between 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Here also both the denominators are different. What to do? First write 2 by 3. Correct? First you write 2 by 3. Then check this denominator. What is the denominator here? 5. So multiply 5 and divided by 5. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Now take that one. 4 by 5. What you should do? Multiply this denominator. Clear to this denominator LCM. 3 into 3 divided by 3. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. So 10, 11, 12. So only one number will get. How many numbers we told? 5. So what to do? Again, 10 by 15 into 6 6 divided by 6. Just only one number extended. Here 5 is there, we are multiplying 6. Here 6 is there, means we have to multiply here 7. So 10 6 are 60, 15 6 are 80. Correct? Yes. Here same number, just carry forward. 12 by 15 into 6 divided by 6. 12 6 are 2, 1 carry, 72 divided by 80. Correct? Yes. 15 6 are 80. No. 90. Yes. 90. Next one. Write the numbers. Therefore, 2 by 3. This side 4 by 5. Here 60 is there. That side 72 is there. How will write? 61 upon 90. 62 upon 90. 63 upon 90. 64 upon 90. 65 upon 90. 66 upon 90, 67 upon 90, 68 upon 90, 69 upon 90, 70 upon 90, 71 upon 90. How much we can write down? Up to 72 we can write. How much he asked? Write only 5. How much we have written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers we got. Understanding? So this is called the rationale between two different numbers. Okay? Done. So in the next class, still 2 mains are there. So in the next session, I will solve the remaining 2 mains. Understanding? Okay. Here, if you get any doubts and all, just give one call. So, thank you, dear children. Have a nice day.